Hello and welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage we're going to be taking a look at this 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3 from Hot Wheels. This is part of the Legends of Speed series, number 6 of 10, and this is also from Project Cars 2. This is a really cool car. We take a look at the packaging and we can already see the great detail in the stripes. It's got some cool racing numbers on it, Hot Wheels logo on the side, and a huge wing. So I think let's take a look at this car out of the packaging and we can get a closer look. So here we have our Mercedes-AMG GT3 out of the packaging, and we can see that great gray color, some tinted windows, really cool lines to this car. This is of course a race car from Project Cars 2, which is a video game of course about racing. And if we look on the side we can see Hot Wheels logo, some decals down here, and number 68, these great yellow rimmed wheels, very cool. And on the hood, yellow pinstriping, red pinstriping, very nice, lots of detail. We'll go ahead and turn it around and we can see that huge wing, the race wing, to keep it stuck to the ground, to the track, and the air splitters, or whatever they're called, down at the back. Sits really low to the ground and looks really cool. Some people will probably hate me for saying this, but I kind of think it looks like a Dodge Viper, or maybe a Dodge Viper looks like this, I'm not sure. But it looks really cool, has a nice stance, it's very low to the ground, probably the lowest Hot Wheels I've seen. And then the front, it's got this huge air dam, it really sticks out, look how far out that sticks out. And then some great detail on the front. I really like the lines of this car, it looks really good. I bet it goes really good down the track, and I can't wait to test it out. If you like this video, make sure to leave us a thumbs up and a comment down below. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you in the next video.